Orokoro. Now I'm on charge. Freely you give, freely you receive. Freely you... Sis, please review the secret paste you put in the watch it. Jennifer, we are curious, pa. Keep watching Hilda's Kitchen. It's there. Watch Hilda's Kitchen. It's there, pa. Free of charge.
Mommy, you're careful.
Mommy, you're careful.
You're careful.
It's free of charge. It's free of charge. Way pockets. So guys, this is my water. You can tell it is boiling now because I'm going to put it there. Whoom. The watch it. So this is our veg rice. Can you all see it? Yeah. Orokodo. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yezi banapapa. Say pezi banapapa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh. Good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yezi banapapa. Orokodo. Ah. Emunaya kama sister. J. Yeah. Yeah. Mommy wants how we want J rough. I'm a wabble and pale rough. 1 2 not to say J rough. Get to Christian same for shock. Now I won't add any water. Ah, sister, if you know your rice, you know your rice. Yes, with the juice in or shishim. Come on. Why the with the fried rice? I said with the fried rice. And Sister J. With this, I'm going to use the parchment paper because even though it's not very soft, but I'm not going to add any water. I will just allow the steam to stimulate it. Okay, bravo. Sorry, what is strong? Guys, I've got some more vegetables. I will add it. You can add any vegetables when you are cooking meals. Somebody will ask what I'm doing. Hilda's Kitchen and family. 7 eggs if you just. Okay. I can't get it. What is Marcelina saying over here?
Hilda's Kitchen family.
7 egg full GA5. What is that?
I don't know. Don't care boxes.
Huh?
Don't care boxes.
They be in here. You have a pack of boxes. So this is what I'm going to use to cover my rice. This is parchment paper. Okay. And then I will cover it and allow it to take its time to cook. Example, I hope if you have any question that you want to ask. Thank you, Develops, for